Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make best miso soup, only way. Heat 4 cups of dashi to a gentle simmer, add a small strip of kombu, then remove before boiling. Rehydrate wakim briefly off heat, cube soft tofu, and keep the broth under a gentle simmer. Taste as you go and add miso paste off heat to preserve probiotics and delicate flavor for a silky, balanced bowl. Choose your miso intentionally to shape the soup's character and mouthfeel. White miso yields a gentle, sweet profile that highlights dashi and seaweed, while red miso brings bold umami and saltiness. For nuance, combine a small spoonful of red with white to add complexity without dominating. Always dissolve miso off heat to protect live cultures and maintain a clean, rounded taste that lingers pleasantly on the palate. Treat miso with care and your soup will sing. Never boil it after adding miso paste because heat kills delicate enzymes and flattens flavor. Dissolve miso in a ladle of warm dashi and pass it through a fine sieve for a silky finish. Keep tofu and wakim gentle in the pot and always taste slowly, adding small amounts of miso until the balance feels just right for your bowl.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.